Hi YouTube, got these 18 LED SMD 1156 bulbs. I'm going to replace the outdoor lighting on my trailer RV. They're basically a simple little incandescent bulb right now. This is how you take it out, push it in, just turn it a little bit, bulb pops right out. Pull out a new bulb. There's the new LEDs, there's 18 of them on there. And insert it right back into the socket. Just line up the pins with the socket hole. Push it in, give it a little turn. And then quick little test. There's the LED bulbs all lit up. Okay, put the plastic lid back in place. And boom. 30 seconds to put a new bulb in the trailer. And I'll probably get 4 or 5 times the runtime out of it and not drain my battery accidentally when I leave them on. So that is the LED bulb installed. And back over here I have another one that I'll install in a second. This is the incandescent, so you can kind of get a difference on the lighting. It's a much yellower light and just drains the battery a whole lot faster. So I'll change that one out and save some battery juice for other things. Thanks.